It's known as the iPad around the world, but here in China, netizens are asking, could Apple's popular tablet PC soon be known as the HiPad or MyPad here? It might be if a small Chinese company gets its way. ProView is suing Apple for using the iPad trademark in China. And it's taking the fight to the U.S. tech giant's own backyard, filing a lawsuit in California.
ProView wants to get Apple's full attention.
The two companies are mired in an ever-bitter battle here, with both claiming the iPad name is legally theirs. Apple says it bought the name from the struggling Asian electronics firm. But ProView argues the sale didn't include the rights for China and says Apple didn't negotiate in good faith, using a shell company that promised not to make competing products under the iPad label.
Using shell companies is not uncommon, but usually the conduct is honest. ProView was cheated by Apple.
In a statement, Apple says it bought the worldwide rights to the trademark from ProView in 10 countries years ago. It blames ProView for refusing to honor their agreement with Apple in China and says a Hong Kong court has sided with Apple in this matter. The case is still pending in mainland China. The concern is a drawn-out legal battle could hamper Apple's efforts to expand its business in China. ProView has been filing lawsuits in several Chinese cities to stop retailers from selling the iPad, with surprising success. China is hardly known for its swift action against counterfeiters. Shops that sell fake DVDs operate in the open, and unlicensed Apple dealers sell the genuine product but at marked up prices.
Well, I think that it's going to increase the awareness of the value of intellectual property, and it's ironic that Apple's being sued by a Chinese company where typically it's the other way around.
ProView is seeking compensation and has been calling for an export-import ban of iPads ahead of a rumored iPad 3 release.
If Apple doesn't change the name, it will violate the law here. Apple might be punished by Chinese courts or forbidden from selling the iPad 3 in China.
But consumers here say they'll take the Apple product no matter what it's called. This buyer says, I don't care how they play with the four letters. A four-letter word at the core of the souring exchange over the iPad. Eunice Yoon, CNN, Beijing.